araw sa ating lahat mga ka-members. Again, welcome to our channel na nagtatalakay about PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, SSS, GSIS, DSWD at kung ano-ano pang mga agency, government agencies na pwedeng makakatulong sa ating mga kababayan or sa ating lahat. Okay? Alright, now before natin pag-usapan itong tungkol sa mga seniors, senior citizens, sino ba itong mga qualified na magiging member, no? Senior citizens na automatic na magiging member ng PhilHealth. Ating pag-usapan kung sino yung mga qualified, paano maging member, paano mag-avail ng mga benefits dito. Okay? Now, bago lahat yan, bago natin ituloy ang pag-uusap tungkol dyan, pakisuyo yung subscribe, like, share, and click the notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng mga video uploads natin kung lalo pat bago ka pa sa ating channel. Okay? Alright, now, dito tayo sa senior citizens that are, it said in this government philhealth.gov.ph, circular ito ni PhilHealth, okay? Senior citizens are automatic members of PhilHealth. Okay, so batas na ito, no? Batas ito. Pursuant to, basahin natin. Pursuant to Republic Act RA 10645 as reiterated under RA 11223 or the Official Healthcare Law of 2019. So under this Section 5 of RA 10645, all senior citizens shall be covered by PhilHealth. Okay? So, ang lahat daw ng mga senior citizen ay libre na or covered na sila sa PhilHealth. Their annual premium contribution shall be borne by the national government from the proceeds of RA number 10351 or sin tax law. Okay. So, baka may magtatanong sa atin, ang dami-dami, millions din tong mga senior citizens natin. Paano yan ni government, no? Saan kukuha ng budget si government? So, ito na nga, no? Annual premium contributions ng lahat ng mga seniors ay kukunin dito sa sin tax law. Okay? Provided that they are not currently covered by any existing membership. Or like for example, member na sila, no? And the category of PhilHealth, likewise, a senior citizen must not have a regular source of income. So, ito, pinipili din yung mga senior citizen na magiging cover dito. So, marami tayong mga katanungan about sa PhilHealth kasi sabi nila, bakit, meron pa kaming babayaran pagkatapos na may makuha yung bill tapos pinaprocess ng PhilHealth, meron pa na silang mga binabayaran. Okay? So, linawin natin na hindi lahat ay inaako ni PhilHealth, ha? Lalo na yung tawag dito yung professional fees, yung doctor fees. Part lang noon ng kanilang fees ay babayaran ni PhilHealth. So, magiging dapat aware tayo dyan. Okay? And also, sabi dito, a senior citizen must not have a regular source of income to be granted this privilege under the law. So, dapat yung senior citizen na yan, wala siyang income. No? Para magiging, siya, ang tawag to, magagrant siya dito sa libre na PhilHealth or healthcare. Okay, under PhilHealth. So, PhilHealth President and CEO Attorney Dante A. Giran, or is it Giran, invited senior citizens to ensure that they are duly registered or updated in the records with PhilHealth. Okay, so, sabi ng presidente ng or CEO ng PhilHealth na dapat, be insured, make sure that you are registered. Okay, so we have partnered with the Office of Senior Citizens Affairs or sa OSCA. So, ang PhilHealth, partner siya ng OSCA. Okay, ano ba yung OSCA? Office of Senior Citizens Affairs in the local government unit so that elderly Filipinos can be registered with PhilHealth conveniently. Okay, so merong record si OSCA dahil nakalista ka naman sa OSCA, hindi na mahirapan si PhilHealth dahil nagpa-partner yon sila. Okay? Alright. Now, adding that qualified senior citizens should only submit to duly accomplished PhilHealth member registration form, no? That yung tawag na PMRF to the OSCA where they reside and await notification if their member data record is already sent by PhilHealth. Okay, if a senior citizens opt to register at any PhilHealth local health insurance office, they must also present and submit a copy of the senior citizens ID or any proof of age together with the 1x1 photo taken within the last 6 months, in addition to their filled out PMRF. Okay, all right. So millions of our citizen members, senior citizen members, and the lifetime members were registered with PhilHealth with combined qualified dependents of 3.3 million from January to June 2021. And then sabi dito, PhilHealth has paid total of 9.408 billion in benefits, representing some 988,000 claims filed by elderly members nationwide. So, see, hindi lang to haka-haka, talagang may nakitang figure, no? Pinakita ni PhilHealth na may figure talaga na tinutulungan ang mga walang mga income na mga senior citizen. Okay? Alright, so in line with the recent observance of Filipino Elderly Week, the Philippine Health Insurance Corporation have again reminded Filipinos 60 years old and above, so senior citizen, that they are mandatorily covered under the National Health Insurance Program. Okay. Now, so among the top medical conditions paid by PhilHealth were community-acquired pneumonia, hypertension, no, cerebral infarction or stroke, urinary tract infection, and congestive heart failure. So, ito yung mga top medical conditions na binabayaran ni PhilHealth. Top lang naman yan. Meron pang marami pa yan. Okay? Alright. Now, if senior ka na, 60 years old ka na, and above, syempre, senior ka na, qualified ka dito, no? 60 years old and above, and are not currently covered by any membership category of PhilHealth. So, ibig sabihin, wala ka pang PhilHealth, no? Filipino citizen ka, nakatira, nandito ka sa Pilipinas, 60 years old ka na, so under ka na kay PhilHealth, no? Libre na. Now, qualified dependents of senior members who are also senior citizens themselves, and qualified dependents of members belonging to other membership categories or with or without coverage or senior citizens themselves. Okay, and then senior citizens who are gainfully employed, okay, yung may nagtatrabaho, who remain to have regular sources of income, no, 60 years old ka na, may income ka pa rin, shall continue to pay their premium contributions to PhilHealth under the applicable membership category. Okay. Now, be a member. Okay, kung hindi ka pa member dyan, magpa-register ka na. So, ano yung procedure ng pagpa-register? So, may dalawang options para ma-enroll ka sa senior citizen member of PhilHealth kung wala ka pang PhilHealth. Number 1, sa pamagitan ng Office for the Senior Citizens Affairs. So, sa OSCA, na. And then, mag-fill out ka dalawang copies of PMRF. Okay? Pwede mo itong hingiin yung form na to sa PhilHealth mismo, or pwede mo i-download. Okay? Punta ka lang sa philhealth.gov.ph/members/seniors. Okay, pag nandoon ka na, i-hover mo yung mouse mo dito kung sa computer ka. Okay? Clickable to siya. So, pag click mong ganyan, wala sa akin dito. So, pagka katulad sa akin, pag-click mo ng ganyan, 404 not found siya, pwede ka nang pumunta na lang sa office, okay? Or, let's say, pwede kang kumuha online, okay? Alright, so tingnan natin. Let me check here. Hold on. Okay. Alright, one moment. Okay, like for example, dito, hindi siya, not found siya. Okay. Was not found on this server. Kasi, meron akong tawag dito, yung server dito. It could be because of my, tawag dito, yung privacy. Okay. May nakalagay dito na privacy na hindi ma-open ang ibang mga website. Okay. Alright, so ganito lang ang gagawin mo. Okay. Go to Gmail or Google mo. Google. Ayan. Google.com. Okay. .com. Okay, search mo lang. Halimbawa dito, okay. PhilHealth. Yan, PhilHealth PMRF form. Yan, 2023. Okay. Diyan. So, itong pinakauna, siya PDF filter. So, hanapin mo yung ito, PhilHealth download. Yan. Okay. So, dito yung mga forms. Click mo yung forms. Okay. So, dito yung registration form. Yung first one sa membership. O, pwede mo nang sana. O, ayan. So, diba? So, kung hindi mo maklik dito, pumunta ka lang sa Google. Tapos, Google mo yung philhealth.com. And then, andito na yung form. So, once meron kayo ng form, okay, para magpa-member, i-download mo lang to. Or if meron kang kilala, hindi ka marunong dito sa pag-fill up ng PDF kasi hindi mo ma-fill upan ito ng diretso-diretso na lang dito. Dadaan to siya ng software. So, pwedeng magtanong ka sa mga kapamilya mo or kung sinong kaibigan mo marunong na pwede siyang dalhin sa software para pwede mo siyang fill upan dito. Otherwise, pwede mo siyang i-download. May ito, download. So, click mo lang download dyan sa computer mo. Okay, or kaya sa print mo sa labas o sa store or kung mayroon kang printer, mabuti. Okay? Alright, then fill upan mo yan. Alright, so, yun. And then, submit the duly accomplished PMRF to OSCA in the city of or municipality where the elderly resides. Okay. And then await member data record and identification card issued by PhilHealth through OSCA. Okay. So, mga seniors, okay, paturo kayo kung hindi nyo kayang gawin yan. Alright. And then, through PhilHealth Local Health Insurance Office, pag ito sa Local Health Insurance Office ka, okay, so maraming PhilHealth na ngayon na office So, anywhere na makikita mo, lalo malapit sa mga hospitals or within the hospital din mismo. Okay, so hingi ka lang doon, mag-fill out ka ng 2 copy of PhilHealth or PMRF, and then mag-attach ka ng 1x1 photo taken within the last 6 months, and then present senior citizens identification card na issue ng OSCA in the city or municipality where the elderly resides or a valid government-issued ID. And then, submit mo yan. Submit duly accomplished PMRF. Okay, await member data record and PhilHealth identification card. So, dapat meron kang PhilHealth na after that. So, wait mo lang siya. Okay, so the premium contributions of those who will enrolled under the senior citizens category shall be sourced from the proceeds of the Republic Act known as sin tax law. Now, benefit availment. Ano yung mga benefit dito? Okay, in hospitals with installed HCI portal, senior citizens only need to present their senior citizen card or MDR or any accepted proof of identity and age. So the hospital shall print a PhilHealth benefit eligibility form. Then, and that says yes means that the patient is entitled to benefits and shall serve as a basis of automatic deduction. Okay, so yun ang gagawin doon. I-present mo lang yung citizen's ID card mo, or if may assistant ka, i-ano mo lang, ipapakita mo lang doon sa billing. Okay, pagka meron sila doon na sa hospital na yun mismo, meron silang portal, kasi may portal din yan, paturo ka din doon sa mga nasa billing. In case the hospital has no HCI portal installed, kasi yung portal yung para bang ATM, parang ATM yan eh, nasa mga hospital na accredited din ng yung PhilHealth na accredited ng hospitals. Okay. Now, meron yang portal, pwede mo or pwede ka magpaturo doon. Okay? Kung hindi mo pa alam yon. Alright. Now, duly completes PhilHealth registration form and acceptable proof of status as senior citizen, including but not limited to senior citizens identification card. So, dapat meron kang card galing sa OSCA. So, mga seniors, wag natin na hintayin na magkasakit tayo, nasa ospital na bago kumuha ng ID, ha? Para ready na. Okay? So, tayo mga seniors, ako hindi pa naman seniors, pero marapit na doon. Dapat magiging handa tayo kasi lalo na may mga sakit na tayo, no? Anytime hindi natin alam, nag-deteriorate ng ating mga kalasugan, pero na lang doon sa mga health conscious people. Okay? Pero alam mo, kahit pa nga health conscious tignan mo si Gardo Versosa, very conscious siya sa health niya. Lagi siyang athletic siya. Pero tignan mo, na-stroke pa rin siya. Stroke ba yun? I'm not sure. Or heart failure, something like that, no? So, hindi tayo pakampante. Make sure na tayo mga seniors, if we do not want to go to hospitals, we do not want to get sick, kailangan natin na magpa-check up palagi. And then, stay healthy, no? Lifestyle din yan palagi. Kumain ng masustansyang pagkain, mag-vitamins, no? Kung may iniinom ka na ng gamot na maintenance, inumin mo yon. And then, gulay, isda, yun, para sa atin na mga may edad na, no? And then, magpahinga, matulog ng maaga, no? Sabi nga ni Dr. Atoy, sino ba tong Atoy ko ba yun? Yung doktor na lagi natin nakikita sa social media, no? Nagbibigay ng sa atin, aside from Dr. Ong, kasi kilala naman natin si Dr. Ong. So, 'di ba, sabi niya kailangan matulog tayo ng alas 10 at least, no, hanggang 5 o'clock, kasi yan ang time na mag-repair ating mga silula. No, for us to stay healthy palagi. All right? Now, kung meron ka pang mga katanungan tungkol sa ating napag-usapan today, ang haba na ating video ngayon, i-comment mo na lang yan sa ating comment section. All right? And then have a wonderful day and stay safe, everyone.